जी, assalamu alaikum and very good morning to you nursery class. So as you know that today is Thursday and today is 6th of May. Okay nursery class, first we will do the two names of Allah. I hope that you are doing the tasbih of two names every week nursery class. Today is the turn of the name Al-Bariu. Al-Bariu. Read with me nursery class. Al-Bariu. सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ अल-बारियु? जान डालने वाला, यानी अल्लाह ताला वो हस्ती हैं जो हम लोगों में जान डालते हैं। वो जान डालते हैं तो हम ज़िंदा हो जाते हैं ना, और जब वो जान हम में से निकाल लेते हैं तो हम फौत हो जाते हैं। और अल्लाह ताला की ज़ात कौन सी है? जो हमें बनाती है। ठीक है, तो क्या मतलब, तो इसको हम क्या पढ़ेंगे? अल-बारियु। तो इसको इंग्लिश में इसका क्या मीनिंग होगा? द मेकर। द मेकर। टुडेज योर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज अल बारियू। अल बारियू। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड, अल करीमू। अल करीमू। अल करीमू। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड? बहुत रहम करने वाला। अगेन, बहुत रहम करने वाला। द जेनरस, यानी अल्लाह ताला की ज़ात क्या होती है? जो बहुत रहम करते हैं। यानी हम कितने ज़्यादा गुनाह करते हैं, कितनी गलत बातें करते हैं, लेकिन अल्लाह ताला वो हैं जो हर दफ़ा हमें माफ़ कर देते हैं और फिर हमें इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें और इतने ज़्यादा गिफ्ट्स देते हैं। ये सिर्फ अल्लाह ताला ही कर सकते हैं ना जी। इसीलिए जो अल्लाह ताला है वो एक करीम है, इसलिए उनका नाम है अल करीमू। अल बारियू, अल करीमू। ओके नर्सरी क्लास, so inshallah tomorrow is a Friday and Jumatul Wida, and I want again videos from you by doing the tasbih of these two names. Okay nursery class, thank you very much nursery class. Now come to your book work. Open your SST book nursery. Oh my god, today is animal and insects nursery class. Oh my god. So nursery class, quickly open page number 2525. Have you opened nursery class? And are you getting afraid of these big animals? Oh my god. Then come to the small animals. These are insects, or you can say small animals. Okay, now first of all write the date nursery class on the top of the page. Today date is 6-5-2021. What happened to the teacher? And nursery class, right here class work. Okay my nursery. So animals, first of all we have to read small animals. Count the legs. You know, you do the counting in maths nursery class, so I think they know that the math and the SST teacher is the same. That is why they are giving us again and again counting, है ना? So one by one we will watch the small animal and then write their names and their legs. So what is this nursery? This is a butterfly. What is this nursery class? This is a butterfly. Okay nursery class, write down the name of the bird nursery class, small animal. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R, butterfly. F-L-Y, fly. How many legs it has nursery class? It has 6 legs. Okay, how many legs it has? It has 6 legs. What is the spelling of legs nursery class? L-E-G-S, legs. We have a small space nursery class, so you don't need to get worried. Okay, You can do a neat work. Okay, you can write over here and you can write over here. It's your choice. Okay, nursery class. Teacher is big enough, so teacher is managed to do the writing over here. Now move to the next insect nursery class. Look at carefully, nursery class. You know what is the name of this insect nursery? What is this nursery class? It is a fleas. What is this? This is a fleas. Nursery class, you know what is this? It's a parasite, but it is not present in our body. It is out of the body. Okay, it is present out of the body, and its name is fleas. F-L-E-A-S, fleas. As I have told you, nursery class, that most of the small insect have 6 legs. Okay, so it has 3 pair of legs. Okay, 3 pair means 6 legs. Okay, nursery class, how many legs it has? It has 6 legs. Now nursery class, what is this? This is a honeybee. What is this? This is a honeybee. In nursery class, you can count the legs over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, nursery class, it also have 3 pairs. 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pair. Pair means that you have a pair of shoes now. You have pair of socks. The two same things. The two same things means pair. It means like this. I have 2 blue marker. I have a pair of marker, blue marker. Okay, this is called a pair. So the honeybee also have the 3 pair of legs. 3 pair means 6 legs. Write down honeybee. H. Can you see? H-O-N-E-Y, honey bee. B double L B. And how many legs it have? It also have 6 legs. Okay, nursery class. Oi, what is this? This is a snake. Oops, what happened? Don't worry. What is this? This is a snake. Oh my god. So nursery class, do you think that it has a leg? No, I don't think so, nursery class. It's crawl on the ground. Okay, nursery class. You know, nursery class, when I was searching that whether it has legs or no, I searched somewhere that it has the legs many times ago. It has small 4 tiny legs, but these days we did not find any legs of the snake. Okay, so we will write the name over here. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake. And I told you, now these days we did not find any legs, so we will write 0 leg. Okay, can you see, nursery class? Please give the space between 0 and leg. Okay. Okay, rat. I hate rats, nursery. You know that? I think rat is the most horrible small animal in my life. So nursery class, you know how many legs it has? G, it has 4 legs. How many legs it has? It has 4 legs. Rat, R-A-T, rat. Rat, and rat has 4 legs. Can you see, nursery class? You have to tell me their names and legs. Okay, nursery class? So what is this, nursery class? Oh my god, it comes in summer now. It's a mosquito. Oh, I don't like mosquitoes, nursery class. Okay, it create many problems and diseases, nursery. Okay, so nursery class, what is this? This is a mosquito. And how many legs mosquito has, nursery? G, nursery class, mosquito also has 6 legs. So write down its spelling. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Q U I T O E S, and it is also a small animal nursery class, so it also have 6 legs. How many legs? 6 legs. Okay, my nursery, can you see? Now nursery class, move to the next small animal nursery class. What is this? This is an ant. This is an ant. You mostly found it on the floor, and you know she loved to eat sugar. Wherever she found a sugar, she make a line of the insect nursery class. Okay, so what is this nursery class? This is an insect, and you can also count the legs in the picture. It also has 6 legs. Okay, so its name is very simple. A, capital A we will write here, A-N-T, ant. You know, I think you have read lot about of ant in playgroup and nursery. Okay, ant, and it also has 6 legs. Now move to the next nursery class. Small excess. Oh my god, you can see how many body part it has, nursery class, and how many legs it has, nursery class. Oh my god, it's very horrible. In nursery class, you know what is the name of this animal? G nursery class, the name of this small animal is centipedes. First I will write the name, then I will tell you about the logic of its name. C-E-N-T-I, centi, P-E-D-S, pets. You can write P-E-D or you can add S over here. Okay, nursery class? You know what is the mean of the centi? G nursery class. You know the centipede is a Latin word. Like ant, mosquito is a English word, na? British word. It is a country which national language is Latin. So nursery class, centipede is a Latin word. Okay. Centi mean 100. You know you heard about centimeters. G. Centi means 100, and pets mean foot or legs. It means the name means hundreds leg. It means this small animal should have 100 of legs. Okay, which means that we are unable to count. It has 100 of legs. But mostly I studied about it, that we can say that it has 15 pairs. Okay, 15 pairs mean 30 legs. Okay, most of them have 15 pair. You can see the nursery classes body part. Look at the body part. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Okay, so how many pair it has? It has mostly 15 pairs. 15 pairs means 30 legs. 30 legs. Can you see, nursery class? Your SST book is very informative, nursery class, and it has I think lot of general knowledge. Now move to the last small animal nursery class. Can you see it, nursery class? G. It is caterpillar. What is this? This is caterpillar. It is mostly found on green leaves, nursery class. And if you know the Arham Asfan sent me the video of the caterpillar she found on the leaf. Thank you, Arham. Okay, I will share it tomorrow with you. Okay. This is a caterpillar, nursery class. You know, when the caterpillar grow up, it becomes butterfly. The first stage of the butterfly is caterpillar, nursery class. In nursery class, the caterpillar has 16 legs. How many legs, nursery class? 16 legs. So write down the name, nursery class. C-A-T-E-R, cater. P-I-L-L-A-R, pillar. Caterpillar. And how many legs it has, nursery class? It has 16 legs, nursery. Okay, how many legs, nursery? 16 legs. Okay, nursery class. Now I have told you about the nursery class small animal. Okay, these are the small animal: the butterfly, the fleas, honeybee, snake, rat, mosquito, ant, centipede, and caterpillar. Okay, now it's time to move to our big animals. Oh my god, look at its open mouth. Oh my god, he's drinking water now. The tiger. So this is a tiger. What is this? This is a tiger. And what is he doing? He's drinking water. I think he's thirsty now. And what is this? This is a hippopotamus. What is this? This is a hippopotamus. Look at that small monkey, nursery class. Oh my god, what is this? This is a monkey. And behind the monkey, this is a bear. Oh my god, what is this? This is a bear. G nursery class. This is hyenas. What is this? Hyenas. And what is this, nursery class? Lion, the king of the zoo. What is this? This is a lion. Behind the hyenas, nursery class, deer. I love deers, nursery class. These are very sweet. And nursery class, you can see this is rhinoceros. What is this? These are rhinoceros. And last and most innocent, nursery class animal, zebra. Zebra. Okay, these are big animals, and mostly the big animals have 4 legs. How many legs? 4 legs. Okay, nursery class. So turn the next page, nursery class. G, this is your activity. The teacher is not going to do the activity with you, okay, because teacher has selected a different activity for you. You have to do it by yourself. What you have to do, nursery class? You have to take a clay. Okay, nursery class, please, it's very easy to buy a clay, nursery class. Take a clay and then follow the step. Make a circle, then make this shape. From this shape you can make its foot. Okay, and then from this shape, from this clay you can make this and put it over here, nursery class, and make a rhinoceros. Okay, nursery class, do make the, you can use the clay of any color, okay, which is easily available. Go and buy it, nursery class, from any bookstore. Okay, you can buy the clay from the bookstore, nursery class. You can use any color of clay for making the what you can say, rhinoceros. Okay, nursery class, now move to our activity, nursery. G nursery class, this is our last and third part of the class of our SST nursery class. It's our activity time, nursery class. So you know, this is our, today is our last class before Eid. After this class we will have a Eid holidays, nursery class, and inshallah on from 17 of May we will meet again, nursery. Okay, so I thought, why don't we do the activity in which we can celebrate the Eid and we can show our happiness, nursery class. I just choose the activity for you, nursery class. Nursery class, teacher is going to make Eid envelopes for you. Okay, nursery class, it's compulsory that you have to make and show me your Eid. Okay, you have to make it today or tomorrow. You will send it to me, and inshallah Eid day we will again meet, nursery class, and I will show you my Eid, nursery, and you will show me your Eid. Okay, And how you show me, I will tell you. Nursery class, see, I have sketched all these with the pencil. Uh, but for your easiness, I will trace nursery class. You can do follow the step as I am doing. Okay, nursery class. On a page, make a N shape of a, oops, okay, see, something got wrong over here. Okay, nursery class. Now nursery class, what you have to do, make an other line like this, nursery. Okay, follow my steps, it will be easy for you then. Okay, then draw one like this, and from here draw one like this. Okay, then draw an other, and then draw an other. Okay, nursery class. Then join these two points. Okay, nursery class. Now what you have to do, nursery, make a line here, make a line over here, make a line over here. Okay, it's a dupatta of a girl, nursery class. The girls have to draw a girl and the boys will draw a boy. Okay, first is the girl's turn, so I am drawing the girl. Then a last line over here. Okay, nursery. Now what we have to do, draw the chin, nursery, like this and like this. Okay, nursery. Now draw the eyes, nursery class. Okay, draw the eyeball, nursery. Okay, can you see, nursery class? Then draw the lashes, lashes over here also. Then the eyebrow, nursery. Okay, then you can do the black color in the eyes, nursery class. Leave only the space that the teacher have make 2 circles. Okay, be careful by drawing this. Okay, then make a happy smile, nursery. Okay, the girl is looking so happy, nursery. This teacher Faiza, na? Okay, now it's turn to make the hand, nursery. Make a straight line like this, nursery, and then make a beautiful like this. Okay, then from here draw a straight line like this, nursery. Then again, can you see, nursery, my steps? Okay, nursery. Now nursery class, make straight line like this, and then here comes, should be curved, and then make a line like this, nursery. Okay, now it's time to make the hand like this, nursery. Okay, okay, I thought it's a Eid day, then you kids love to hold balloons, so I decided to hold a balloon in a girl hand. Okay, nursery class. Now it's time to make the legs. The girls should have a 2 legs nursery class, as we learn about the legs in our SST lecture. Like this, like this. Okay, nursery class. Now it's a shirt. Now it's come to your choice. If you want to make a flower in the shirt, you want to make a heart nursery class, or you want to make any design of your each shirt, it's up to your choice. Okay, nursery class. I have a heart in my shirt nursery class, so I am drawing heart nursery. Say thanks to me that I am not drawing apples nursery. Okay. Okay, nursery class, the girl is ready. Now girls, you have make the sketch of the girl. So it's your time to do the coloring. Okay, you can do the beautiful coloring in the dupatta, in balloon, in hands, in heart. It's up to your choice. Okay, teacher will show you how to do color, but now you start coloring. And now boys, come to me and start drawing with me. G nursery class. For boys, I have draw the sketch over here nursery. Okay, and I as I told girls, step by step the same I will told you how to draw the boy nursery class. You can choose any character, cartoon character that you can easily draw. It's up to you, but for me I select these Nick boy nursery class. Okay, okay, let's draw the boy nursery class. Let's start from the first line that you have to draw nursery class. Start drawing from here, from the shoulder to hand. Okay, nursery. And then, okay, then what you have to do, you have to make a straight line. Should be very careful about lines, nursery class. Okay, and then one straight line from here. Okay, now you have to join these 2 points like this. Okay, nursery, see. Now you have to make nursery class and other shoulder. Okay, nursery class, it's time to make another shoulder. Then draw the hand nursery, another hand. Okay, then make the palm. Over here nursery. Okay, now nursery class. Okay, nursery class, now what is over your next step nursery? Nursery class, draw 2 straight line like this, one like this and one should be like this. Okay, nursery, then from this line join the shoulder nursery, and from this line join the shoulder. Okay, nursery, now what you have to do, you have to be very careful nursery class. Okay, draw buttons. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to draw the 2 lines over here like this nursery. Okay, nursery class, if you follow my step now, it will be very easy for you to draw. Then nursery class, draw a line like this, draw a line like this. Okay, then draw a line like this. Okay, now make a line like this, nursery, this, this. Okay, then make the lips. Okay, small line like this, and should make a nose, small baby nose. Then make eyes, nursery. Are you watching, nursery boys? And I want this from all of you. Okay, now it's shoes. Like this, nursery class. Close the shoes and now draw the design over here. Make a V, 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 V. Okay. Okay, nursery. Watching carefully. Okay, done it. Now, nursery class, I will do it the color of my choice and you will do the color of your choice. Okay, let's see who will win, nursery class. Let's do the color and then meet the teacher, and I will tell you the next step. G nursery class. Now I have, you can see that I have color in the girl nursery class. Girls will do like this. They can do the coloring according to their dress. Okay, it's up to you, nursery. And I have write Eid Mubarak in nursery class balloon. And nursery class in the boy nursery class, you can see I have put a blue color because mostly boys like to wear blue. And again, it's your choice, nursery. Okay, now our next step is we have to cut this girl with a scissor. Teacher will cut and then come to you. Okay, then wait for me. Now, nursery class, see, I have cut the doll like this. Let me show you again. I have cut the doll like this. Okay, balloons and all the doll. Okay, now I will, nursery class, put the glue behind it, nursery class, and I will paste in another A4 size sheet. Okay, nursery class, cut according to your doll size. Okay, nursery class, teacher will cut and then will come to you. Okay, sorry, teacher will paste a glue and then will come to you. Okay, okay, nursery class, see, teacher did not put the glue over here, so you can see the thread. Okay, now, nursery class, I have cut the strip like this. I will fold the strip, nursery class, like this, and again I will put a glue here. Okay, and then I will put this strip, oops, I will put this strip over here. Okay, nursery class, I will paste and then come to you. See, nursery class, like this. Now what the teacher is going to do, teacher is have a Eid of 200. I will give 200 each to my kids. Okay, nursery class, I will fold the rupees, nursery class, like this and put inside the okay, nursery, let me, okay, nursery. So in this way you can make the Eid envelope for yourself or for your brother and sister. Okay, I like this activity, that's why I will share with you. Do make the activity and you will share your Eid with me like this. And boys, you will follow the same pattern as the teacher do for the girls, and you do it by yourself, nursery class. Cut the boy, paste it on another sheet, nursery class, then make a strip like this and put a Eid in it. Okay, nursery class, so take lots of good care. May this Eid full with happiness, nursery class. Enjoy a lot, have a fun, but try to stay in home. Okay, nursery class, do fun in your home. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.